I really enjoyed it, yeah. I think I've learned quite a lot about the industry and different elements, including stuff like health and safety and a lot of digital stuff as well, which I hadn't even touched on in college before.
Do, fi wedi mwynhau, fi wedi cwrdd â lot o pobl really nice, a mae tutors wedi bod yn really dda.
I've got to meet some great people. I always find it hard meeting new people, but it's been really easy. I've been able to do things that I've never done before, like video editing and planning a process. You know, I've never really had the chance to do that before, so it's been really great.
Yes, I've really enjoyed the 6 weeks. I've learned a lot, more than I'd ever imagined to learn in the 6 weeks.
I'm really looking forward to it. I can't wait to start.
Yeah, edrych mlaen I bod bach mwy hands-on, cos fi'n just bod ar laptops yn y 6 wythnos, so...
Yeah, I can't wait. Although I've been doing sound stuff for years, I've never really done anything for television or film, so but I've always been really keen on it, so it's really looking forward to it. Yeah.
I'm feeling really excited, kind of anxious because I don't know what to expect, but mostly excited because that's when I can get more hands-on and, you know, creative. I haven't been as creative as I would, you know, over the past 6 weeks, so it's getting back into it I'm excited about.
I'm just looking forward to finding out how the team works together on the set of Casualty, and I really enjoy watching the programmes sometimes as well, so it'll be interesting to find out what goes on behind the scenes.
Edrych mlaen I gweithio Casualty ac just I creu contacts a dysgu lot mwy am bod yn grip.
I don't know, just the experience I think is the main thing for me, you know, it's just being in part of the crew and the atmosphere that's around it, you know.
Again, just being hands-on and creative and just really trying to see where I can go with it really and see how far I can push myself to be successful.